All right, so we just need to prove if it's equal or one's bigger than the other. Little turns big. If that's a 2, that's got to be a 2. That turns into 1. Little turns big times 2 is 6. Okay? This is log 3, 81 times 3. Log 3, 243. Log 3, I think it's 3 to the 5th. Little turns big. This is 1. That's 5. Therefore, it's bigger. You could have also simplified this by going log 3, 3, 4. Log 3, 3, 1. Little turns big, 4 times 1. Little turns big, and 4 plus 1 is 5. Okay, last one. I need to know if it's growth or decay. So this is decay because it's between 0 and 1. The decay is 8%. And then you need to actually plug it in. So I'll do that. I think the bell's going to ring. Okay, so we've got to fill out the table. I know that anything to the 0 power is 1 times 17 is 17. Okay? But the rest of them, I don't know. So I'm going to go 17 times 0.92 to the 1, 17 times 0.92 squared, 17 times 0.92 to the negative 1, and 17 times 0.92 to the negative 2. Okay? So I'm going to pick up my calculator. Do I need to show work? Yeah, you don't have to show for all of them, but show me you didn't just make this up or copy your friend, especially considering I'm not here. So 17 parentheses 0.92 to the, I'm going to start with negative 2, round it to the nearest hundred, 20.09. Now I'm going to go up in my calculator, and I'm going to change that to a negative 1 because I want to make my life easier. And I get 18.48. Look at my numbers are going down. It's decay. I did to the 0, so now I'm just going to do to the 1. And I get 15.64. And now I press the up button again and go to and 1439. Okay, now I'm going to graph it. So here's the deal. I'm okay with you fake graphing it. You got the 17. You showed me it goes down. You're showing me it's decay. I'm happy with that, okay? But there's one more thing I need in here. It says create a situation. Okay, so I start with $17. You'll make this look nicer on the quiz. And then I lose 8% each week. Okay, there's 17, I don't know, science stuff, cells, and they decay by a rate of 8%. Okay, you'll write that down, and you'll be good to go. That's everything on your quiz. Please be prepared.